So welcome back again, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to import a project. Let's say you are a color grader, or let's say you are gonna work on another video that some other editor works on, and you're gonna continue their work. So have to import a project, a .drp file or .dra. It's gonna be the same, but I'm gonna show you with .drp because it's going to be easy, because otherwise .dra is going to take some time to export, and I haven't saved a .dra. I'm going to show you it with help of a .drp file, a Davinci Resolve project file, but it will be the same for .dra also. So let's say you want to continue working with some other editor, you're working with a project with multiple editors, or you are a collaborator and you're getting this project. This is how you're gonna get the project. Okay, so you are gonna get the project in the form of a .drp file, and what you have to do to import that project is actually click on import project and go to the file location and click on the project that you want to import. Click here, open. Now since there is already the demo project here, it's gonna rename it into copy of demo project, and that's okay for now. Let's click on OK, and now the project is gonna open. So this is a project, and this project does have all the media inside that timeline or inside that project, because that media is already existing in my computer, in my storage. If you don't have the media, it's not gonna work. It will show you media offline, or you don't have the media, it's gonna be an error. So keep that thing in your mind, that if you want to import or export a .drp file and to continue working on that file, having that accessibility to the original media is crucial. It's important. Keep that in mind when you use a drp file. Otherwise, use a drf file, so you don't have to worry. Only thing that you have to worry is actually about the storage that the .drf file is going to take. If you have the storage to save that and to transfer that, it's easy. It's going to work better smoothly. So yeah, that's how you import